Girl, you make me go so loco, loco, make me go crazy. We would make a beautiful baby. Knock on wood, is you trying to date me? Is it you?
Hey guys, welcome back to Nicole's Beauty. So today I'm bringing you the Fox Locks hairstyle. So these Fox Locks are 36 inches long, and it came in this plastic bag. As you see right here, I'm opening up, and I have my needle that it came with, the crochet needle, and then also the hair jewelry. So right now I have 6 bags of hair that I will be using. Hopefully, I think I'll use all of them. But guys, this hair is so beautiful. Look at it coming out the bag. I just love it. Look at the length. Yeah, it's so amazing. I don't have to worry about, connecting to them together. I get enough hair in all 6 bags. So I'm just showing you the amount that I have in one bag, and there should be like 21 of the Fox Locks, individual Fox Locks in a bag. Right here, I'm just showing you what the hair looks like before I get ready to install it. So to be able to push the hair through the loop, you want to twist the hair the opposite direction of how it's made until you see an opening. And then you want to go ahead and stick your finger through the loop to keep it from closing up. This really helps a lot with each individual lock, so remember to do that. But now, ladies, you're ready to start crocheting. Oh, so I also want to say, I know my braids look busted, but your girl was so busy that she didn't even have time. Look at me talking in third person. But guys, I didn't have time to take it down and redo them all. So I just thought that it would look more realistic, more, natural, if I would just go ahead and do it on some busted braids instead of having to refresh my braids and, starting all over and taking all that time to take it down and bring it back up and then crocheting it all in one day. So yeah, guys, but if you're like me and you don't want to take your hair down, this could be a good hairstyle for like the loose hair, just because the hair can cover more areas of the head and you don't have to worry about them peekaboo I see you spots in the back of your head. I know y'all know what I'm talking about, but for real, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go and continue watching, and I'll be back. guys, so I'm back and look how natural it looks. I just love it. So I do have one more pack of the Fox Locs. You know, I have 21 of them in the bag, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my peekaboo spots. You're gonna see them in a little bit, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just fill that in and put a little jewelry in my hair, and that will complete this look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all on my next video. Bye.
Is it